Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bilt Mastercard for online account management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for an online account with your Bilt Mastercard, start by visiting the official Bilt. Look for the sign up or register option, usually found on the home page. Click on the option to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use the email associated with your Bilt Mastercard account. Next, create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Follow the instructions for password creation to ensure it's strong. Once you have filled in your details, submit the registration form. You might receive an email verification link. Check your inbox for this email and follow the instructions to verify your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. After verifying your email, return to the Bilt website. Log in using your email and the password you just created. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the account dashboard. This dashboard will allow you to manage payments, view statements, and track your rewards. Explore the different features and options available to maximize your account experience. If you encounter any issues during registration, consult the help section on the Bilt website. Customer support may also be available for any additional assistance you need. You are now ready to manage your Bilt Mastercard online effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.